quick response garage door service in Phoenix, Arizona. 4.9 stars across more than 2,400 reviews. That is genuinely hard to earn, and it tells me these folks take care of their customers. So this review is not about their work. It's about their online marketing and a few places where it's quietly leaking leads. Let's start with their website on a phone. Google's own speed test scored it 27 out of 100, and the main content takes 31.7 seconds to show up. For a company whose whole brand is quick response, the website is anything but. Garage door problems are urgent. A homeowner with a door stuck open is searching on their phone. If the page takes half a minute to load, they hit back and call the next company. Every visitor that bounces is a lead gone before the site even had a chance. Second, where the advertising is and isn't. The site has a Metapixel installed, the tracking code for Facebook and Instagram ads. But when we searched Meta's public ad library, we found 0 active ads running under this business name. And on the Google side, there's no conversion tag on the site at all. So the highest intent channel appears to be sitting unused. When someone's door breaks, they search Google. Social media interrupts people who weren't looking. Google catches people who need help right now. If this were my account, that's exactly where I'd want to be. Third, and this one connects to their biggest strength. They show reviews on the site, but they're not marked up in the code Google reads. When reviews are properly marked up, Google can display star ratings directly in the search results, which lifts clicks on a listing they already rank for. A 4.9 star reputation, invisible right where it would do the most good. Those are free clicks being left behind. Fourth, same theme. There's no local business structured data on the site. That's the behind-the-scenes code that hands Google your hours, phone number, and service area in a format it trusts. Without it, Google guesses, and competitors who publish it cleanly get the richer result instead. Fifth, a quick technical one. On the homepage, a smaller heading shows up in the code before the main H1. Search engines read headings like an outline, and the H1 is the page's title. Burying it weakens the biggest ranking signal on the most important page they own. Small fix, but it should never slip through. And sixth, there's no video anywhere on the homepage. Video builds trust faster than anything for a home service company, and it keeps visitors on the page longer. For a business with a reputation this strong, it's a low-cost miss. Now, zoom out. Nothing I just showed you is advanced. Speed, structured data, heading order, ad tracking, these are basics any marketing agency should catch. And in my experience, when they get missed, it's usually because agencies collect monthly retainers while junior staff juggle 80 accounts and nobody actually looks. I don't know who runs their marketing, so that's not an accusation, but if someone's being paid to run this, they should have caught it. And here's what most owners don't know yet. With AI, these exact fixes can now run automatically. With a bit of guidance, you can bring your marketing in-house, own the whole thing, and never depend on an agency again. If you run a local service business and want us to find what's leaking in your marketing, free audit, link below.
Now, if you're the owner of this business, the good news is that everything we found is fixable and fast. And if you want our help in fixing it, plus a complete system that will help you take control over your lead generation system built inside your account using AI and automation so that you would never need a marketing agency ever again, visit localservicemastery.com and book a demo call to see how we can help you. For the rest of you, I'll see you guys here in the next review.